We are in Merrick. We are putting a waterfall in a pool. Client we met last spring, and we put together some pricing. It just happened to be outside of his budget. So got put in hold. We're gonna build right back in here. So I got the spot that they left for like a formal setup that we had to cut out the existing concrete, and then we're replumbing and get it out of the work area so that we can build this area up and build a waterfall. So if you watch, you'll see something right about now. So if you saw that quick little clip, that's what we created. What do you think? Let me know. So this is where we're going to be working. So when I spin you around here, that's our work site. That's our access. Everything's working nicely. So it's Nick, Andrew, Ricardo, and I. Concrete was cut out. Found our plumbing line down there and put on a elbow. And that's going to come out all the way back here behind the waterfall. So we just got to backfill this hole, bring it up, and then we're good to go. Here's a waterfall. We've got a waterfall drop right there, comes back, and between those rocks back here, there's a turn that twists that way and then goes back that way. And that is where our water will start. We've created these big planting pockets that splay out on each side so it can be planted so that everything will step down. Got a boulder or two back here, there, and then we've got to grade this back so he can get around the backside. We are features built. I got this Palmas waterfall right on this edge. After the pool's open, we'll be able to see how it runs. I do have little tweaks I want to do on the very front to hide some stuff, but I can't do it at the moment because it's not on. So we're going to get that taken care of afterwards. But you need a waterfall built on side pool. That's what it looks like.